Hello and welcome to another QSM tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be learning how you can create and recommend quiz products within a quiz through the results page. Here we have created a mathematics quiz, and when we go to the results page, we can see that recommended products are displayed according to the results here. Let's learn how to do this. We are using InstaWP for this disposable WordPress website for the tutorial. And to create your own, you can click the banner on the top right of your screen. Make sure that you have the QSM plugin on your WordPress website. Go to Add New. Upload the WooCommerce zip file and install and activate the add-on. Now we will be creating a quiz product. For that, you need to check which cost product you need to create. And then how are to the products menu. Here we are adding a history quiz product. We will be writing the regular price for the quiz and also the sale price. You can even schedule the sale quiz. Further, you can select the name of the quizzes that you want in your product. Like here, history quiz. We are adding a payment message, which can be a one-line selling point of the quiz. The quiz list heading is essential as it will be the product heading in the product carousel. Further, you can select the product image by either uploading or using any pre-existing image on your website. If you have many pictures, create a product gallery. You can also add tags for the products so that users can easily search for them. Now we are going to put a product short description here. This can be a description of the quiz product. And then we publish the product. Once the product has been published, we will go to the preview option and see how the product looks. Here a history quiz bundle has been created and displayed as a quiz product. Now let's go to the All Products menu, and as you can see, we have already created some more products for your understanding. So let's jump to the quizzes and survey option and check out the maths quiz. Here we have added questions and created the quiz. However, now we will be configuring the results page to select products. In this, we are adding up the geometry challenge, science quiz, history quiz, and trivia quiz as related products for a particular result page. Make sure to save the result page and then hover to the WooCommerce add-in settings. Here you can add the related products heading for your products section and also specify product columns and save the settings. Now publish the quiz and how it works out. We are going to take the quiz for a better understanding of how quiz product recommendation works. We will simply solve the quiz and jump to the results page. Here we scored 80 out of 100, not bad. And here is our related products section. We have got all the quiz products that we added to this result page. And that is how you can recommend quiz products with WooCommerce integration. Hope you enjoyed and thanks for watching.